Today's adventure, we're going to get the engine for my red Datsun. It is finished at the machine shop, so we're going to Seattle to Autosport to pick it up. Here we go. Yes, I still need to fix the blend door. Oh yeah. Let me get this stuff unloaded. Maybe we'll talk about it a bit. First off, I want to recommend Autosport Seattle. I recommend them to everybody that's doing import machine work on their engines. They're great guys down there. I'm going to go through what I did. I'm going to go through the machine work I had done on my KA24DE. And I suppose if you want to know how much it cost, that's how much it cost me. Stop there. I suppose if you want to know how much it cost, that's how much it was. But that will vary depending on what you get done. So let's go on down the list here. First thing that we got is getting a grind on the crank. The knocking rods beat the crank up just a little bit. The next thing was reconditioning the head, basically tearing it all apart. Part of that was setting the stem seats, surfacing the head, installing guides, R&Ring the cam, and making an adjustment to the exhaust cam because I haven't put an exhaust cam in the intake side. So this is an exhaust cam, and the distributor drive gear had to get machined off because it's from the front wheel drive. So it's a 248 lift setup. Read about it on the internet. Somebody told me about it on the internet. I don't know. Somebody gave me the cam, so we did it. They cleaned my pistons, basically stuck them in the hot tank. They hot tanked the block, they honed the cylinders, surfaced the block. They removed my oilers because I did not. They did some valve guide work and some valve stem seals. Then I had them get me a ring set and a rod and main bearing set for the current grind on the crank. And that's all the work I got done. There's some other things that you can get done. Basically what will happen is over time when you're running your engine, these things will stretch. So there's a measurement that you'll take there, and if it's within spec, you don't need to get these recut. Same with your pistons. If your cylinders are good, you won't need to replace your pistons. These are the original pistons. They're on the original. These are the original pistons. They're on the original piston ends. I didn't have to get any work done to these, just get them cleaned. I could have saved myself a couple bucks and pulled my own oil squirters. Just didn't think about it at the time. They go right here. They will go in the ultrasonic. And that kind of is everything that was done to my engine. other than the timing chain cover, which I didn't have at the time when I took all this in, and I bought a new one. Speaking of this timing cover, you can buy these brand new. That's what this one is. It's brand new. I bought it off of Amazon, Mizuno. I don't know where I bought it. I can put a link down below. I'll find out. I'm sure I have a receipt. But it's brand new oil pump. That's what's the important bit. And so I had a friend of mine, he machined it for me. Thanks, Jason. And just skimmed the top, and now that's good to go. So I should be able to assemble my engine well once this is back together. I got some stripping to do, and some cleaning, and some painting, and then I can get to the engine. Thanks for watching.